What'd you say?
What the hell is that?
What you doing? It's got a light on it. Oh, bright eyes. Brightness. Yeah. What's up, kid? What's cracking, baby? What's up, babes? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah? You like that light down there, huh? You like that light down there, don't you? Yeah. What's up, beavers? Give me a smile. Hey, smiley, smiley. Is that a smile? Hmm? You know, that smile, she's like, are you talking to me? Are you talking to... What is that light down there? Oh, now it's going to be a big turn in about 5 minutes. Oh, are you still talking? Who are you? You look just like Mommy. I don't know what everybody thinks they see me. I think you look like Mom. Like, oh, what is this? What is this thing? It's called a laptop, babe. By the time you're big enough for that to sit on your lap, you're going to be like, why would I want to mess with that big old ugly old thing? Turn the stupid TV off, man. You want some music? You want some music, babe? Beastie Boys. So let me try that.
I know, right?
Bum 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 bum. X gonna give it to you. Gonna give it to you. X gonna give it to you. Son. Or sing for me.
No, I'm good.
What's up, beeps? What's up? What you doing? It's like, you okay? So,
Do you really have to go over there and make a freaking mess? Come here, Hushy. I'm gonna take this thing off of her.
that's probably what she wants. Aren't you a smart aleck?
Here, can you take her?
No, I cannot. I don't hold babies. What's up, folks? What's up, folks? What's happening,
No, just because I took it off of you doesn't mean you can get all wild.
What's happening?
Skin is nice and shiny though. I mean, your coat.
So what do you think?
I think it might be the different kinds of dog food that's making her skin like this. You need to stick with one kind of dog food that she really likes and just stick with it.
She seems to like the Olroy, the red one.
Yeah.
I just like the stuff that doesn't make her dookie all freaking mushy. Like she can just crap out the dry stuff, fat pile like she's supposed to.
And I said it was, and they asked me if I had been talking to David, and I said no.
I don't know about getting.
And
I need to get some.
I just didn't know what to do, and they just said they weren't in my batch, and I was going to be this
What's the matter, boo-boo?
What up, dog?
You're trying to tell me that you're hungry again? What are you trying to tell me? You need some more food? It's a baby! It's another puppy! Yeah! But you were here first! Yeah! Yeah, you're the bigger puppy!
Weirdo.
He tries to call me once or twice a week,
Weird.
She can't figure out why it's weird that she and an inmate have some kind of relationship. She's a guard. He's an inmate. She doesn't believe that that compromises the security of the institution. She doesn't
Well,
see how. Yeah.
You're not.
She's complaining because she lost her job.
You're not supposed to have a relationship with an inmate, you friggin' doofuses.
Is that Beeps?
That's like.
What is that thing down there? That's Hershey's. Hershey. Hershey. Good girl. Oh no, that is not it. Sit. Stay. That's a good girl, yeah. I know you don't like sitting. Okay, you're good. Get up. Can you speak?
Erica. 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 Hi, baby. Hi, boo boo. I see you.
Mom, what are you doing with that flashlight thing?
Hi, honey. What are you doing?
What's up, Mom?
She's like, whatever, Mom.
Can't see you.
I know.
So you were doing that to her, and she were doing it to her. All she saw was.
Shut up. Hey, boo boo. Hey, boo boo.
So you can deal with the ones you don't. Now, for a limited time, you can lease the 2010 Hyundai Genesis for
Aww.
That's gross.
That's cute.
That's gross.
That's
Get out of
cute.
When you get the wipes. That's gross.
That's cute.
Dog's mouth's mine. People think that's clean, but
Okay, I'm gonna stop this.
gross.